Did you know your brain remembers words faster when you feel fear or suspense? Sounds strange, right? But think for a moment. Have you ever learned something new while your heart was racing? Today, you'll discover how horror can sharpen your English listening skills. Welcome to a new method of learning English, where every whisper, every shadow, and every tense moment helps you improve. Spine-chilling horror stories can make English clearer, more natural, and more exciting to learn. Improving English listening skills is difficult. Different accents, fast speech, background noise, and boring lessons make it even harder. Many learners replay the same audio again and again, but still can't catch the words. Why does this happen? Traditional listening exercises often lack emotion. They don't keep your mind active. They don't keep you engaged. But when you're listening to something scary, your brain becomes alert. Your focus sharpens. You stop multitasking. You listen with full attention. Fear activates memory and attention in a powerful way. That's why horror stories can help you learn English faster than normal techniques. They make you feel, imagine, and react. And that emotional connection helps your brain remember every detail. The horror stories on this channel are created not only to scare you, but to teach you English naturally. Each story includes rich vocabulary like whisper, shiver, footsteps, echo, shadow, crawl, suspenseful scenes that keep your attention, clear narration that improves understanding, descriptions that strengthen imagination and listening power, natural expressions used by native speakers. Some stories you will hear include the shadow behind the door. A woman hears footsteps inside her empty house. Room 9B, a place where the walls whisper secrets. The midnight caller, a phone that rings after 3 a.m., but the caller isn't alive. These stories are chilling, atmospheric, and filled with language you'll remember. Here is a short excerpt. The hallway light flickered, then went completely dark. She stopped breathing. Something cold touched the back of her neck. Slowly, she turned around. No one was there. Then a whisper slid into her ear. "I've been waiting." Her heart pounded as a shadow moved across the floor, crawling toward her like a living creature. Moments like this force you to focus deeply. You hear every sound, every word, every breath. This emotional tension helps your listening skills grow faster and stronger. Horror stories are not just entertainment. They are a powerful tool for improving your listening, vocabulary, and comprehension. They make learning memorable, intense, and surprisingly fun. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you want more horror-based English lessons? And don't forget to watch the next video for more language tips and more spine-chilling stories.